Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into mastering Todoist for writing project management, giving you a complete guide for 2025. First up, you'll need to set up your projects in Todoist. Open Todoist, click on the plus symbol in the bottom right corner and select Project. Name this project according to your writing project. The reason we do this is it helps us to compartmentalize our tasks and keep our workspace organized. Next, create sections within your project. These sections can represent different stages of your writing project, like research, drafting, or editing. To do this, open your project, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and select Add Section. This helps us because it allows us to break down our project into manageable stages, providing a clear overview of the writing process. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks to each section. Click on a section, press the Add Task button, and input the task's name. You can also add a due date by clicking on the calendar icon. This is crucial because it helps us to stay on top of our tasks and deadlines, ensuring we maintain a steady workflow. The beauty of Todoist lies in its ability to add subtasks to each main task. To do this, click on the task, hit Add Subtask, and input the subtask's name. This is particularly helpful in breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. It keeps us organized, reduces overwhelm, and increases productivity. Next up, assign priorities to your tasks. Open a task, click on the flag icon, and select a priority level. This helps us because it enables us to identify and focus on our most important tasks, ensuring we are always working on what matters most. Finally, use the comment feature to add notes or upload files to a task. Open a task and click on the speech bubble icon to add comments. This is important because it allows us to keep all related information and files in one place, making it easier to find what we need when we need it. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've mastered Todoist for writing project management. This tool will help you to stay organized, manage your time effectively, and ultimately achieve your writing goals. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.